What's going on today? Hey guys, today we're going to do a review of this Amazon plastic welder. So if you got any issues with plastic clips breaking, I'll show you how. As you can see, the wife hit a coyote and yeah, broke the clips off of this whole bottom piece, and these guys up here are all gone, and had to replace the condenser in there. That's brand new. But if your dealership wants an exorbitant amount of money for a new bumper, we're gonna see if we can fix that. And you can see over here too. We'll go ahead and chalk it. We'll jack it up. We'll get some jack stands. It's right about there. And there's one, so we go over one. Okay, that's actually pretty good. That's a hard hole. We'll come back and we'll trim all these. I'll get them lined up. Let's show you what we got so far. So we come over here and we put these guys up right here. Wow, that's unstrong. And they're surprisingly strong. I mean, they're holding pretty tough. There's like not really any back and forth motion. You can see I clipped these ones, and so far so good. I'll show you the other side. So if we can get this thing to focus and brighten up, I got a couple of clips here and up here, 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 and they just kind of go like throughout. And you know, this is a car that's gonna stay in the family. It's not going anywhere. And then this is pretty much what we were trying to minimize, but a little bit of body filler and some paint is going to cover that up. It's going to be okay. You can see another one that I put right in here so far, but I mean, like, that's not really going anywhere. This is actually this is a pretty cool toy. Yeah, so about this thing right here, got it off Amazon. I think it was like 25 bucks. It's puts out great current. It's strong. The only thing about it is I would recommend you watch a couple videos or take a couple plastic pieces and practice with them. I'll show you what I did. So as you can see here, this is a mud flap off of my truck that I'm probably never going to put back on, but I was practicing to see on a thin piece of plastic how long it would take to get through to where it would be a stable one, and it's usually about 5 or 6 seconds. Not much, not long at all, but it's in there. That's not coming out, you know what I mean? So overall, this was a pretty good purchase for me. Another cool thing that came with these, I wanted to show you guys. These are all the different style of bindings that come with them. So if you're trying to get different corners, edges, whatever to bind together as far as the plastic goes, you got all these different options, and it comes with, you know, plenty of assortment. So this is pretty cool. The only thing that trips me out, I don't know what kind of metal it is, but I'll tell you, it's not steel, because none of these are actually sticking to the magnet. So we know that. So well, thank you guys for watching, and if you have to do some kind of plastic repairs on your car or anything around the house, hey, give this little gun a try.